Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss how to use ScrollView component in React Native, right? So in the previous class, we had discussed how to handle styles for both Android and iOS, right? So in this class, we'll discuss how to use ScrollView component in React Native, right? So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So in the previous class, we had designed the list of goals, right? For example, if I add Achyut here, right? And if I include one and I will add some list of goals. So I will add list of goals until this height is completed. So overall height is completed. So I'll add like this. I hope it is completed, right? So we have added the list of goals, right? And some list of goals is under this screen, right? We can't access it. We can't access it. So to access this list of goals, then we have to use ScrollView component. Then only you can scroll it down, then we can access that list of goals, or otherwise we cannot, right? So whenever this height is completed, the remaining list of goals will be added in the bottom, right? So to access that list of goals, then we have to use ScrollView component, right? I hope you understand. So here we are having this goals container, right? So here you have to use ScrollView, right? Just type here ScrollView, right? And here you have to write ScrollView, right? Now see. Now you can see, right? We can scroll it down, right? But some of our styles have changed, right? Right? Why? Because we have added styles to this scroll view, right? So that's why it is not working. So instead of that, we have to include the view again, cut it here and add here, right? So here, instead of writing styles here, cut it down here, and here you have to add it, right? Now see, the styles have come back, right? So in this way we can handle the styles, right? So whenever you have any problem, then you have to create another view and you have to add it, right? Then the styles problem will be resolved. So now you can see, right? We can scroll it down all the list of goals, right? I hope you understand. So in this way we can use the scroll view in React Native. I hope you understand how to use ScrollView component. And if you have any doubts in this class, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you friends. Jai Hind.